Here he comes. Sit down over there and play with his tools and then call him.
Sawyer, look at! Oh wow, look at these tools, so cool!
Mina, get out the way. Go. On the Betty.
Mina, get out of here. Wow, look at these!
Get his... Oh, never mind. He's crawling.
Woohoo!
Stand him up and throw me something.
Look at, what's this? Ooh! Go get it!
Sawyer.
Go see Daddy! Go get Daddy! Here, go see Daddy!
He's too tired.
Sawyer!
He's too tired. Go get Mama. Move back towards the TV a little bit. Yeah, he's too tired.